Let me try that again. It's not hamburger helper. What's up, y'all? So when I was a child, who talks like that? What's up, y'all? So when I was growing up, my family used to take us to this restaurant called Hamburger Hamlet. I believe that's what it's called. And then I think it changed to the Hamlet. It's a restaurant off of Van Nuys in the San Fernando Valley, if you're familiar with it. And one of the dishes we used to get all the time was their French onion soup. It was super, super delicious. And I've always wanted to recreate it, but to be honest, I've just been a little bit scared. It seems like it's a lot of work, it's difficult, and I just haven't done it. But today, that has all changed because we're gonna be making this easy French onion soup. Let's get started. And there you have the most delicious, easy French onion soup. Now, let's dig in. It's cooled down a little bit, so I'm not gonna burn my mouth. But the bread's perfectly toasted. It's got that melted cheese on top, the caramelized onions. We got some fresh thyme on top for a little decoration, a little flavor. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Here we go.
Wow.
That is delicious. I have to go in for another bite. It really reminds me of the soup I used to have, so looks like I was wrong all along. It's super easy to make and it's absolutely delicious. It's the vegan version. It is an easy French onion soup. If you do try it, comment below, let me know what you think. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe for more fun stuff coming soon. Thanks for watching. See ya.